Today, let's have a great trade practice to improve our skills to the next level. We will go over a full top-down analysis by using smart money concepts and price action. We will discuss how to spot trade areas and how to make possible trades. If you are good to go, let's do this. Recently, we started to see some nice price action in the cryptocurrencies, and I thought it is a great time to refresh our memory to find better and safer trading setups. As you know, our most journey of trading starting with the multi-imbalance locations from higher time frames. Our classic way of trading is actually quite simple. Wait for a pullback, then go to the lower time frames and wait for a structured break to place a compact trade. However, sometimes I get these emails and questions. The first structure break, the MSB, is faking me so much, and the crash continues, and what shall I do about this? And my suggestion about is again quite simple. Since inner time frame reversals are not very easy and complicated things, in the lower time frames, structure breaks can always fake you out because the inner structures keep changing all the time. And this is why you can wait for the first break of structure, the boss one, after the MSB, which will give you much better entries because you know the inner trend in the lower time frames at this moment has got stronger. One side is pushing another side now distinctively. Okay, now let's do a reverse engineering. In this chart that recently happened in Solana, this is a 15-minute chart we consider as lower time frames. So what you see here is a nice imbalance area, right? And you may ask, why did we choose this imbalance out of nowhere? Because if you look at this chart, the imbalances are almost everywhere. But you will understand in a minute because we are now reverse engineering. You can see and confirm the market structure break right here. It is because this deep low, and the low is point at the bottom, and it is created by this high point. This high point is the lowest point starter. This is how we identify the structure break, the MSB, the market structure break. And what else do we have here? At the top, we have the PDH, the previous day high, which is a clear target for us, a location for us to move towards to. And if you look at the left side, you will notice we are at the perfect SR Flip location. Now as you can see how the reverse engineered the setup. Everything made so much sense for us now, right? Reverse engineering is always great to understand the setup. But let's get back to the reality now. I see many people asking me this. The first market structure freaks me out so much. Then this is what you do here. Like exactly here. You wait for the second break. Basically the first break of structure after the market structure break. And then you place your trade. Because this will give you an additional safety and more confidence in your trades against being faked out all the time. Now you are asking me this, all great, but how did we find that trade in the first place? This is the main question, right? The answer is again not that complicated actually. All you need to do is look for multi-imbalance areas in the higher time frames, that's it. Mostly hourly time frames like this one here. So basically those trades we just worked on and identified in the lower time frames happened right in this area of multi-imbalance location. So as you can see, trading is actually not that much complicated or confusing. It is not that hard to find setups. In my opinion, the hardest part of trading is mostly waiting and not knowing if the trade will work or not. The rest of the thing you can do is just managing your risks. Okay friends, this was a great lesson. I hope you liked it. See you next time and please take care. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.